Because you don't like that with the gel on it. It's a couple of big sheets in my
I've
bag.
got it right there.
Okay.
I'm not going to take away your presents.
So see my nail?
Oops. Okay, move your bag.
She says it's a small needle. I said it's a 10-penny nail. The sore bubble finally went away.
Good.
Over here it was sore for a long time.
Yeah.
And it finally went away. It's not sore to touch it.
Is this a needle? I'm trying to like angle it so it doesn't show.
So it doesn't show your face.
Yeah.
That's okay. I mean, if you get me, I took my name tag off.
So if you have questions when you come through your radiation, and might excellent way and pop your head in.
Takes a minute or two for manipulation.
I think she just likes pink.
Yes.
Shh.
Don't say anything. Ready?
Do you feel anything?
Just pressure. Is it in there? Did you feel your pop? Yay.
Do you feel any burning? So what I'm going to do, right back, don't move.
Okay.
Get my saline. I find that after we had an issue, I don't dress it until I've run my saline in to make sure that we're in the right spot now.
It popped out twice.
Yeah.
The last time I had it done. And then we ended up having to go up to radiology, and they run the dye in it to see if it was in there or not, and it won't. And the chemo was burning my skin and all this kind of crazy stuff. So she runs saline in it first.